today, guys. What did I step on? Oh.
A piece of stick. Oh, it was a rock?
Is this rock soft? No.
They are not soft, definitely.
I stepped on this. I stepped on something gooey and soft.
Gooey.
Yeah. It's gooey.
The way you're running is so silly because like you're literally careful the way you're going
Yeah.
so you don't hurt your feet.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna be dizzy?
No, I won't. I'm not going crazy in circles. That's why I'm not this. I hope it rains more. I'm getting really wet now. Pinkie Pie's getting so wet.
Pinkie Pie is getting wet.
Mm-hmm.
What does she think about that? It's good or bad?
She's getting good. It feels good, but she's gonna need to go in the sewing machine and get drawn.
What?
I said going in the sewing machine. What is wrong with Jojozinha?
You're not supposed to say dry?
She has to go in the dirty bowl, the dirty washing machine, and then she gets rollish circles, and then she doesn't like that because she's busy, and then she gets dry, and she goes in circle and she gets way too dizzy, and then she cannot move her eyes. Her eyes are gonna be like.
Obviously, she will not be inside. It's just her
Right.
clothing.
Hello, little me.
Can you show mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's throw it.
Throw where? Next to the tree?
Maybe.
Just put on the grass.
It flies like a helicopter. I'm such lucky head. Oh.
It's
not-
just silly.
Why it was getting windy?
Yes.
Oh,
That's
well,
why you move like that.
I wanted to move like an airplane. Why is it not working?
Because that's not an airplane.
How is it not moving?